Okay, what I'm doing wrong is I install the Angular Node.js and after install the say download the or create a new project, the name of the subscribe, give the yes or no. Then after I have to go into that project name. Before that I give the ng server so it's not found. First time is spelling mistake, second time is normal. And you have to go to that folder is created when you use ng new name. Go there, search kindly cmd, it's created, type the command crve. When it's worked, it's given a port like http slash local hash slash 4033. We have to load it in the browser to execute our first app. That path screenshot should like this. After installing, execute the command ng cell. Okay, would you like to share anonymous data? Yes or no? Ng analyze project off. Finally, download completed. Uh, Actually, it also take more than 7 minutes to download for me. This is what I'm talking about the host. Copy that, paste in the browser, and enter. The app should be loading. Finally, yeah, there you are. This is the first default page of the AngularJS. Angular. See you.